Hey traders and investors, it's Miami Option with your stock market recap for Tuesday, January 19th, 2020. Hopefully you guys had a happy Martin Luther King Day yesterday and the markets were closed. And today the markets gapped up. You had a lot of stocks that are moving in upward direction. It's still the same corporates like your GameStop that are moving a lot higher. You all these stocks just keep on moving. These stocks keep gapping up higher, and a lot of times, if you position yourself correctly with some sort of call, if you bought calls the day on Friday, any type of calls, $60, you really profited quite nicely. Just looking at a graph of one of these calls. If you bought it, nothing crazy. If you bought it here, about $3, $3.50 in them, and you sold it for $6, double your money. Nothing ridiculous. Let's look at another gapper today, GameStop, $5. Let's take a look at if you bought the market closed on Friday. Let's see, this did a lot better. If you bought, it would have been about $4 or $5, and in the morning you sold it for 11. I mean, just awesome moves. Just to mention, these don't come often. If you get any kind of momentum to the upside and you've got profits, take it. Take the profits. Do not just let it stay there, because just as you can see, those those profits faded away quickly. Look at it. Those profits faded very quickly. When you look at these stocks, look this faded, came right back down from what to where you bought it at on Friday. Faded right close to the very where you bought it at on Friday. So a lot of times when you see those profits, you need to take them. Just looking at the market here, just looking at some stocks, looking at Baidu. Baidu is on a tear. I mean, there's nothing stopping this stock. It keeps on climbing higher and higher each and every day. Look at it. However, I always tell people who come in the market, when you see this area, this gap area, this air, it can keep on going higher, but when it comes down and fills this air in between the moving average here, it can be very, very violent to the downside. So be cognizant of it, and know that you can't come into here and try to buy in to any kind of momentum. I think the move from where it gapped up and went higher in Baidu, it's already done. All the profits, I believe all the profits are already taken. And when you're coming up here, you're going to be buying somebody else's profits. So you don't want to be there. You want to be the person who's here when all this potential energy is is um, is gaining here. All that potential energy is just keep building and building and building and building and building, and just ramps up to the upside. This is where you need to be buying in this area. Last year, the year before, this is where you need to be buying, buying, buying. Just kept buying, and then here is where you take your profits. Where everybody is in frenzy, they're in this euphoria position. You just take your profits, and you wait for an opportunity like this here, where it's at $82 and it's cheap. You buy more, buy more. You don't want to be up here where you're buying someone else's profits. And that's just about it today. And the SPY is up as well as all the other indexes. Nothing tremendous, but it's going higher. When the market's going higher, do not try to short it. What you need to do is cut your profits a lot quicker, because you never know when a black swan, something that's going to cause the market to swish down and quick sell off, and wherever all your gains will be wiped off, and you will have a loss. And a lot of times you want to go long term in the market, not short term. All right, traders. Once again, this is only educational advice. This is not um, me telling you to invest in any stocks or anything. This is all educational advice. See you guys tomorrow.